Hi everyone, this is Crafty Decoria and I hope you're all doing great. So I have a combination of 3 weekends in a row of things that I picked up at Dollar Tree, and quite honestly it's even still not all that much. It's just I did pick up 3 cases of an item that I usually love to get when I see it at Dollar Tree. So I decided to combine all the weekends together just to make somewhat of a okay size haul. I could have done things separately, but really I haven't been seeing a whole lot of new things at my Dollar Tree, which is really unfortunate. I find that in the past we were seeing more things new more often, at least for my Dollar Tree, and I just haven't been seeing that lately. So I thought I would share the things that I picked up with you. Some things were new items and some things were repeats that I've picked up from before, but was happy to find them before they are completely gone. So as usual, here is the overview of the things that I picked up. I will go through them one by one so that you can have a better look. I hope you enjoy. Okay guys, so to start off the haul, I picked up my favorite beverage from Dollar Tree, probably my favorite anywhere, and it is the Brio drink. And normally I love picking up the regular Gnotto, and it is 355 milliliters. I also love that it comes in a glass bottle. I have been able to find these at the grocery store, not all, but a few, but they do come in like a plastic bottle and I prefer the glass. So I did pick up only 5 or 6 of those because they tend to go fairly quick. And then I love, it's probably my favorite, the limonata soda, so lemonade. I picked up the most of those. And then this time around, I haven't seen this one before. It is a gazosa soda, and it looks like lemon lime, and it's clear. So I've not tried this one before, and I thought I would give it a try. But I love Brio, and I love that I'm able to find it in the glass bottles at Dollar Tree. Okay, then just a mixture of some things. I actually did need some dental floss, so I happened to find this one by Colgate, and it is mint flavored. And there is, let's see, what does it say? Wax floss, non-Teflon. And I thought maybe it would, oh yes, it does say there is 54.5 yards, so 50 meters. So I picked up a couple of those. I then came across these action figures, and these are the largest I've probably seen at Dollar Tree. Usually they had the Avengers, but they were smaller size, so these ones are a little bit bigger, which is nice. And they had Thor, Captain America, Hulk, and Iron Man. So I thought that was a nice size for those to come in. And then I picked up some dressy socks, and these look like wonderful quality. They are cotton, and there were 2 different brands that I seen. This first one is Venucci Couture, the finest luxury hosiery. And I picked it up in this like charcoal gray. And then these ones are by Ritzy, and natural fiber cotton, and these came in black. There were a few different colors, but I just picked up the black and then this like taupey color. So I thought that was a good deal for $1.50. Over in the baby section, I picked up some burp cloths, and I had seen these before but never picked them up, and then I had an idea for a little project that I want to try. So I did pick up a couple patterns. which are more boy themed, but they also had some girl themed burp cloths. And if this works out for what I want it for, then I definitely will be picking those up as well. So the two patterns that I got were this dinosaur pattern, which is really cute in the blues and grays and taupey color. And then the other one was this more zoo themed and alphabet themed burp cloth with the brighter colors, which is super adorable. And the sizing of these burp cloths are 12 by 20 inches, and they are 100% polyester. I went ahead and opened one up in case you hadn't seen them, just to get an idea of the sizing of the burp cloth. So they're a really nice size. And yeah, hopefully if the little project works out, I probably would be sharing it on my doll channel. So I did get these to add to that reborn stash that I have. And I, again, most likely will be sharing it on there if it works out. And then the next thing that I picked up, was this is the first time that I've seen these, are these BPA-free mini silicone popsicle molds. And they are by Angel of Mine. It says multi-purpose ice cube trays can freeze water, juice, yogurt, gelatin, baby food, and fruit to create fresh snacks or infused drinks for kids or adults. Flexible silicone material shapes the bottom well, which makes it easy to release ice cubes. Easy to clean and store, simply cleaning with warm soapy water does the job. Once cleaned, place the mold at a storage space far away from direct sunlight until next use. So let me go ahead and open it up so that you can see. So when you first open up the package, there you have the tray, and then here are the handles, which you have to assemble. Okay, so because I'm filming with my camera, I don't have my tripod to show you how these go together, but it's very simple. This stick here, you just push it through the hole at the top of the circular part of the popsicle holder, and it just snaps together in place. So these are really cute. I love the colors that they use. So again, these will be really nice whether you use them just for an ice cube tray or to make little popsicles. Really cute. Okay, so next for Dollar Tree decor, I was so happy to come across each of these items. I actually went to Dollar Tree because I was looking for some more of this pepper leaf garland that I hauled a few hauls ago, and I only needed 2 strands. Well, this stuff has been selling like hotcakes. I haven't been able to find this particular garland. I went to a couple other Dollar Trees and they did not have this one. They had some that had yellow flowers, roses on it, but I couldn't find this one. So I went back to my regular Dollar Tree that I normally go to, and they had only 2 strands of this pepper leaf garland. That was it. They were completely sold out of it. So it was a hot item at Dollar Tree. Again, this is the pepper leaf garland, and I used it on my fireplace and I love it. So I was so happy to come across the last 2 there. I then found these table decor, and the name on this is Shore Living. And I have been meaning to pick up a wooden dough bowl to place on the center of my dining room table. And I wanted to find something like this and then add it with some kissing balls, the greenery balls. So I was, again, really happy to find these. They came in the jute twine as well as the nautical rope, and they had 2 sizes, which I picked up the same amount in each. This is the larger size, and then this is the smaller size. Again, in both the jute twine as well as the nautical rope. So this was a really great find. And then another find I was super excited to come across were some wall decals. And this one here is by Roommates. They have the website on the back. www.roommatesdecor.com, made in the USA. And Dollar Tree normally carries the wall decals, but they are the single sheets, or sometimes there's double-sided, which are really great. But these, you can see, came in the package. So they are a nice size. The first one that I picked up, which will be for my reborning area, says Sweet Baby. There is 6 decals in this box. So that was a great find. And then I just previously painted my daughter's room and made it over. And she had a light yellow bedroom, which to me, it was okay when we first moved in, but her room is a small room. So I thought by painting it white, it would really brighten up the room and make it look a little bit bigger, and it definitely did. I absolutely love how it came out. So I figured I came across these, which this particular size box, they had, I believe, 3 different patterns. The other 2 were more for younger age. She is 13 now, so I wanted to kind of transition her into a little bit older room. And this I thought would go beautifully in there, as I did use some browns and grays. And then this has a little hint of that really pretty blue. So I thought it would look really nice in her room. This particular box has 26 pieces. And as you can see, this is the Home Trends brand, which I believe is a Walmart brand. So that was really nice to find these. I'm excited to look these up to see what they would retail for at Walmart. But for $1.50, I thought this was a great deal. And you see all the pieces on the back, and then they give you a guide on how to place them to get that particular picture there. So that was a really fun find. For $3, I'll be able to really add that little pop of color with the blue and then the brown and grays that I already have in her room. So really great find. Well, guys, that will do it for this Dollar Tree haul. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. Share the video if you can. It will greatly help my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd absolutely love and appreciate it if you did. As always, you guys take care of yourselves, and I hope to catch you in the next video. Bye for now.